Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Skoove, Learn to Play Piano, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Skoove is an interactive piano learning app designed to help beginners and intermediate players develop their skills step by step. The app offers guided lessons, practice exercises, and real-time feedback by listening to your playing through the device microphone. It covers chords, melodies, music theory, and allows learners to progress at their own pace. Its intuitive design makes it easy for users to follow along, while more advanced lessons are available through subscription. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean interface, structured lessons, and interactive feedback that helps them improve quickly. Many enjoy the flexibility to learn anywhere and the variety of exercises tailored to different skill levels. The app is especially helpful for beginners who want a clear learning path and for intermediate players seeking structured practice. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features require a paid subscription, which may not fit everyone's budget. A few users have noted occasional latency in real-time feedback, and the content may feel limited for advanced pianists looking for deeper musical challenges. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Skoove app may be worth using if you want a structured, interactive, and beginner-friendly piano learning tool. It excels in convenience, guided lessons, and real-time feedback. However, if you need fully advanced lessons or want all features for free, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.